Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we will show you what to do if the USB tethering is not working when you are using your Android phone with your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to fix this, first head to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and then tap on About Phone. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on Software Information. Now in this menu, you will need to tap on this build number rapidly for 7 times. Once you do, you will need to enter your lock screen pin to unlock the developer options menu. Now simply tap on OK to continue. Now return to the main settings page, scroll down and tap on this developer options menu that you see. In this menu you will need to scroll down and find this tethering hardware acceleration option. Simply enable it. Now tap on this default USB configuration option. Now here select USB tethering. Once you have done this, return to the developer options menu and then turn it off. Now simply connect your phone to your laptop using a USB cable. Now go to the USB tethering menu again and you should be able to enable it. Once you have enabled it, make sure the Wi-Fi is turned off and your phone is on mobile data. If you still experience problems, there may be an issue with the cable that you are using. In that case, simply try using a different cable from a reputable brand and you should be able to share your phone's internet connection. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.